Hello everyone, I am Khan sir and today's lesson is all about noun and its types. In this lesson I will answer the questions which might be come in your mind. Dear students, our first question is what is noun? Then as you can look at on this page number 16 in the book, there is very simple and easy definition is given. What is noun? The noun is a word that is used to name a person, an animal, a place, a thing, an idea. These all are the nouns. It means that noun is a name of person, name of place, and name of things and names of animals. Now, dear students, come on our second question. Which are the types of noun?
Dear students, we are going to learn about types of nouns. There are, as you can see here, four important and basic types of noun. The first, concrete and abstract noun. Second, common and proper noun. Third, collective noun. And fourth, countable and uncountable noun. We will study each point separately. First of all, I must say here that we are studying these basic types of noun just because of you make some mistakes in writing. For example, you always make some mistakes in writing, adding articles a and an. So these all problems and concept will clear after studying these four types of noun. So let's come. Now question is, what is concrete noun and abstract noun? Dear students, concrete noun is a noun which has physical existence. We can touch it, we can look it, it will be concrete noun. For example, pen, books, car. We can touch it, we can look it. So it's a physical existence. But abstract noun is a noun which have not physical existence. We cannot touch it, we cannot see it, just we can feel it. For example, love. We cannot touch it, we cannot look it. For example, idea. For example, decisions. These all are the examples of abstract noun. Now let's come on the second type, common noun and proper noun. Proper noun is a noun which is given to the specific person, specific place, specific things. We can call it proper noun, and rest all are the common noun. Here is a very important table is given for understanding the difference between common and proper noun. You can see in the table, the first one is man. Man is a common noun. In this world, we can call to every person as man. But the proper noun is Rohan. Rohan is a given name to a man. So Rohan is a specific name is given to the man. Second example is woman. Woman is a common name for all. But in the proper noun, you can look in the table that Anvish. Anvish is a proper noun, specific noun given to a woman. Now, if you study this all table, you will find that we should or we must remember that when we are writing to the proper noun, we must write its first letter in capital. We must write the first letter of the proper noun always capital. Remember it.
Now our next question is, what is collective noun? Collective noun is a name or word that represent a group of people, a group of animals, a group of things. We can call it collective noun. Now let's understand by some examples. Here is a table and first example is a group of employees or a group of servants. What we called it? We called it staff. Staff is a collective noun. A group of birds, camels, goats and sheep is called flock. Flock is collective noun. A group of animal, deer, elephants, donkeys is called herd. Herd is a collective noun. So more examples are here. More examples are given for you to study it, and also find more examples of collective noun from your course books and memorize it, remember it. Now our next question is, what is countable and uncountable noun? Countable noun and uncountable noun. Countable noun is a noun that can be counted, is countable noun. For example, a pen, a boy, a car, and a chair. We can count them. But noun that cannot be counted is uncountable noun. For example, we cannot count water like 1, 2 water, 3 water. So these all are the examples of uncountable noun: water, stars, and air, etc. etc. Students, here you must remember a rule. We do not use article a or an with uncountable nouns. For example, we cannot say like a water. Yes, we can say like a glass of water, but directly we cannot use article a or an with water. So, dear students, this was all about noun, and if you like this video, subscribe to my channel The Planet Education and share it to your friends. Stay home, stay safe, study well. Allah Hafiz.